This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza, photography and video. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In this edition, I will do a neighborhood video test. I'm going to walk around my neighborhood and do a action camera and gimbal test. The action camera is my 2-year-old Hawkeye Firefly 8S. Cost me about $100. And the gimbal is the Hohem iSteady Pro 2. It's a nice little $85 gimbal. And I'm recording this in my studio right now with my MXL 4000 microphone and of course my Focusrite digital mixer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me about the cameras, the gimbal, my mixer, my mic, my photographic technique, anything you want. Just send me an email or leave a comment below. So I'm cruising around my neighborhood here. Across the street is a little pond. It has quite a few bass, and right now we are currently having an explosion of ducks. We have about 100 or so ducks at this pond, babies, and they're all growing up pretty fast. Mallards, white ducks. We also have some Asian geese and some Canadian geese. We have quite a bit of stuff right here in the lakes. I'm not trying to scare these ducks to go in the water. I'm just passing by them carefully, making sure they've seen me around. They know I feed them quite a bit of popcorn, corn, cracked corn, and general food that they like. None of that bread. I give them some actual grains. So here's a view of the pond. What do you think of this camera? I'm doing some pans here and there. I did in post raise the contrast quite a bit, and the exposure I lowered down a bit so I can add a little more color, because it definitely looked a bit washed out. So what do you think of this camera and gimbal combination? So I'm headed back home. Again, I used to edit this video my PowerDirector 18 software. It only cost $59. I got the latest version at Best Buy during Christmas for about $59. Good deal. Living across the pond here, a lot of people are very generous. They're kind to a fault. They leave their cups, garbage, all kinds of beer cans, beer bottles. And I don't want to talk about the other stuff they leave. They leave bad stuff here. And they usually like to smoke dope across the street. They like to smoke their marijuana. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ, what are they up to? And here's a little styrofoam cup they left there. They decided, hey, this should be nice camera fodder for Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. So here it is with 2 pink spoons. Obviously, they were sharing a sweet moment in their car, but then they decided to dispose of it right in front of my property. Of course, all the stuff across the street always blows to my side of the yard, and I go around picking up all the odds and ends, all the garbage. And that's life in suburbia in Fort Worth, Texas, over here by French Lake, or a French pond, whatever you want to call it. And so here comes the car. Here are my likes. The camera and gimbal are affordable and lightweight. They are definitely affordable and lightweight. Static shots look great, and the camera and gimbal are intuitive to use. I really like it. Let's get back to my property. I was gone for about 2 weeks camping in northern New Mexico and eastern Texas. Here are some of my dislikes. The action scenes look a little pixelated. Obviously, the camera chips are not the greatest and latest stuff. Color is good, but a bit washed out. No 4K stabilization or 60 FPS. But what do you expect for under $100 for the camera and under $100 for the gimbal? There's my front door. My wife wants me to paint it, and I'm trying to avoid painting it. I hate doing stuff like that. Thanks for watching my video. A short little walk around my little area there, showing off my camera and gimbal. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. And if you have the time, leave your kind and friendly comments below the description. Way below in the description. Again, the video was courtesy the Hawkeye Firefly 8S. The gimbal was my Hohem iSteady Pro 2. My studio mic was the MXL 4000, and my Focusrite audio mixer helped out super a lot, okay? So this has been my neighborhood video test. A sample 4K video for all you folks out there. Of course, you can always get something better. You can get a DJI Osmo action, or a GoPro, the latest one. Don't forget to check my website, jmmgarza.com. And if you want to send me your old action camera to review or a new action camera to review, send it my way. Again from Fort Worth, Texas, thanks for watching. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.